Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about three-phase transformer. So now we already aware of about three-phase supply. Now here generation of electric power is usually three-phase. To step up generated voltage for transmission purpose and to step down transmission voltage for distribution purpose, it is necessary to transform that three-phase voltage to higher or lower value. Because three-phase acts are economical, so three-phase transformers are widely used in power system. Here 2 points are very important, that to step down transmission voltage for distribution purpose. Three-phase transformers are widely used in power system because whenever single phase supply is required, but already three-phase supply is transformed from any power station. Okay, so three-phase transformer may be single unit or it may be made up of three single phase unit. So these are two types of three-phase transformer. One is single unit three-phase transformer and second is single unit but with made up of three single phase units. Okay, now we will discuss first type of single phase three phase transformer is bank of three single phase transformer. We can say that in this type of three phase transformer we have used three single phase transformer. We see figure next, but first of all here electrical power is transmitted and distributed in three phase form. Even where single phase power is required, like home, small units, they are tapped off from basic three phase system. It means that the supply from the power station is three phase, but for our home appliances, for that small units, it can convert from three phase to single phase units. Transformers are therefore required to interconnect a three phase system at different voltage levels. This can be done using three single phase transformers, which is known as transformer bank. As shown in below figure, we can see the figure. From figure you can understand how that three single phase units are connected. The primary winding can be connected in star or delta. Similarly, secondary is also connected in star or delta. So we have four interconnection of primary and secondary: star delta, delta star, delta delta, and star delta. See in the figure, then you can understand about the interconnection. So here, see here, this is single phase unit first, this is second single phase unit, and this is third single phase unit. Three codes of single phase units are different. Okay, now the above these are primary windings and below these are secondary winding. S stands for secondary winding and P stands for primary winding. Okay, now see here, these primary windings are connected here as this, from here to here to here. Okay, so you can see that these primary windings are connected in star, and below this secondary winding here, secondary winding, these are sorted, and these three are the ends. So here first sorted, second sorted, and third sorted. So you can aware that secondary windings are connected in delta. Okay, So here in this case of bank of three single phase transformer working as a three phase transformer, here primary windings are connected in star pattern and secondary winding are connected in delta pattern. Same way you can connect primary winding in delta, secondary winding in star. Same way, both winding in delta or both winding in star. So there are four possible interconnection of this three-phase transformer. Okay. So this unit is also called as known as bank of three single-phase unit in star delta. Here we have connected primary winding in star and secondary winding in delta. Now we'll see advantage of this unit. So bank of three single phase transformer is used in underground work such as in mines for easy transport of these units. Okay, when one transforming bank of three single phase transformer becomes defective, it may be removed from service and other two transformers may be reconnected in open delta to supply service at rated capacity on emergency basis until repairs can be made. So here three single phase units are there. If any one unit becomes faulty, then other two units can be in service. So whole three phase unit cannot be considered as faulty. Okay, and service can be remain. This is advantage of this unit. And disadvantage, here a bank of three single phase transformer cost around 20% more than single three phase transformer unit for same rating. Single three phase transformer unit we will discuss in next step. It occupies more space when compared to single three phase transformer unit. Okay, so these two are disadvantage of this bank of three single phase transformers which is working as three phase transformer unit. Okay, now we will see second type of three phase transformer is single unit of three phase transformer. Here instead of bank of three single phase transformer each having its own iron core, as we have seen earlier in above figure, a single transformer can be designed to serve the same function. Such single unit is known as three phase transformer, has three primary winding and three secondary winding, but core is utilized same here. So as iron core is saved by three phases, such transformer can be built more economically. See here in figure, this is single unit of three phase transformer. In this figure, we can see that as in three single phase unit of transformer, see in above figure, see this figure. Here, this core is different, this core is different, and this core is different. So we can say that in bank of three single phase unit transformer, core is different for all single phase transformer, but here in the case of single unit of three phase transformer, core is saved by all these three units. So it is a single unit of three phase transformer. Here primary windings are connected in star pattern and secondary windings are connected in delta patterns. So this in this single unit of three phase transformer, we can say that core is saved by units. So it requires less space compared to the above unit. So we can see the advantage of this single unit of three phase transformer. So it requires less space for same rating compared to the bank of 3 single phase transformer, as we have discussed in above topic. It weight and cost less. As one unit is required, it is easily to handle for the operator. And the core is of smaller size and hence less material is required. So it can be easily transported. So these four are advantage compared to that above bank of 3 single phase transformers. Okay. So disadvantage. So in 3-phase transformer unit, when one phase becomes defective, entire 3-phase unit must be removed from the service. So this is very big disadvantage of this single unit of 3-phase transformer. As we have discussed in bank of 3 single phase transformer, that if one unit becomes faulty, then we can handle that service using other 2 units. But in 3-phase transformer unit, when one phase becomes defective, entire 3-phase unit must be removed from the service. For very big transformer, it is impossible to transport large 3-phase transformer to the site. So that transportation service for that big transformer is very costly and very impossible for that very big 3-phase transformer. So this is all about 3-phase transformer. Again, I revise some important topics about this 3-phase transformer. So first of all, we have seen that 3-phase transformer. Why 3-phase transformers are required? Because most of that power systems, that generation of electrical power is usually 3-phase. So for single phase supply, we can step down or we can generate that single phase supply from 3-phase transformer. So to step up generated voltage for transmission purpose and to step down transmission voltage for distribution purpose, this is necessary to transform that 3-phase voltage to higher or lower. Same as in case of single phase voltage, here 3-phase transformer step up or step down that 3-phase voltage. Okay, so 3-phase transformer are widely used in power systems. Here these 2 types are there: single unit, and it may be made up of 3 single phase units. So this is first case of 3-phase transformer, bank of 3 single phase transformer. Here 3 single phase transformer are separately connected on separately iron cores. Primary windings are connected in star and secondary windings are connected in delta. Okay. Advantage of this 3 single phase transformer compared to single unit of 3-phase transformer is that it's when one of transformer in bank of 3 single phase transformer becomes defective, it may be removed from service and other 2 transformer may be reconnected in open delta to supply service at rated capacity on emergency basis until repairs can be made. So this is advantage of 3 bank of 3 single phase transformer unit compared to the single 3-phase transformer unit. But here disadvantage is cost, weights, space are more than that single phase unit. And now second type is single unit of 3-phase transformer. So main topic is here core is shared by all these phases. So here first of all we can see that as in single 3-phase units, single phase units, that core are different, but here core is shared by these units. So it requires less space, its weight is less. Okay. So So it requires less space. These are the advantage: weight, cost less. Okay, these are the advantage of this single three-phase transformer compared to above. Okay, and disadvantage, we have seen that in three-phase transformer, if one phase becomes defective, entire three-phase unit must be removed from the service. So this is all about three-phase transformer. So basically, you have to keep in mind that three-phase transformer divides in two parts: bank of three single phase units, and second is single unit of three phase transformer. Okay, thank you.